Then what I'm going to do after that first little spraying, I'm going to let it set for a few minutes. All right, I think that is it. Let's see what she looks like. Where's my hose? Oh, there it is. Hey guys, thanks for stopping by our channel. We really appreciate you coming by. So what you just saw was a few clips off of over 900 different videos that Dad and I have put out on YouTube in the last 10 years. We've got tons of different playlists on all different kinds of subjects that have to do with freehand routing wood signs. So we'd love it for you to stick around, watch a few videos. If you want to subscribe, we'd love for you to do that. But don't forget to click that little bell icon so you get notified, because we put out new videos 3 times a week, Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. So thanks again. If you have any questions at all, just email me directly, eric@makeawoodsign.com. I'm happy to answer any questions you might have. So there's the channel, there's the website. Thanks for coming by. Have a great one.